Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Goldwing 1800 luxury touring, flat 6-cylinder, tons of torque. This is the navigation and ABS equipped model, stereo radio system. It's got a lot of nice accessories, including a taller windscreen, extra wind guards, floorboards, rider backrest, passenger armrests, some nice chrome. It's got the CV radio, luggage rack, trailer hitch, $117,000. That's why we've got it priced to sell for just $89.99. Come on by. Make your luxury touring dreams come true. Come by and check us out. Check out the bike. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Brand new front tire. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.